Nice one, Moira.
It's a technical. What is that?
Technical foul.
That is a technical foul.
Moira's getting the shot.
Let's go, White!
5.6 seconds.
5.6 seconds.
Yeah, it's fine. I managed the clock. That's what you're supposed to do. That's the right
I know,
play.
but like, it even looks like a foul to me.
Oh, yeah.
It's been going forever. Did they really think this is
Nice one, Moira.
Defense!
No fouls. 29 to 34 across.